It's the Saturday Savings Club. Stay inside where it's warm and come haggle me. I'm not expecting to get many haggles done today, so I'm gonna probably just hang out and look at the weather. It's crazy out here right now. Steve's down there shoveling the street, the sidewalk. Ray came by and he shoveled in front of the store in Rostapasta already. Hey, you can't see the tower no more. Too much snow. In my early show. James is here. James, we got a storm out there, man.
Yeah, I know, it's horrid. I woke up and there's snow all over the place.
Snow all over the place. You're interested in the large bag of Cheetos that I put in there this morning?
Yeah.
Name your price, sir.
Well, let's see, I got 75 cents.
75 cents for a bag of Cheetos. You got it, man.
Thanks.
That's the VIP Savings, it's VIP Kensington Variety VIP Club.
Right on. Yeah, this will work good for the snow because I'll be inside watching movies.
That's right. Stay in the man cave. It's a good storm out there, eh? It's very, very snowy. Yeah, you like the snow? This guy, he's hiding in here too. You don't want to go back out there, do you? No.
Inside more.
Yeah. Be inside, yeah.
Kensington and Quebec.
Oh yeah, they get more out west, yeah, or east. Yeah. More snow. In St. John. Oy. Ray, thanks again. You're an amazing person to help us out shoveling the sidewalks of Kensington.
Better busy than bored.
I put that bag of salt behind this there.
Well, what's there, do its thing, you know.
So I hear it's going to end around 8.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I was guessing around 10.
10 p.m.
I was guessing we'd get about what we got. See what's on top of the wood thing there?
Yeah.
That again on top.
Oh, man. Martin's here.
Hey, Lee.
It's the Saturday Savings Club, but we won't haggle right now because it's almost time for me to go. We'll just hang out. Talk about the Raptors.
Sure.
Raptors won last night.
Raptors win, yeah.
Hopefully they'll win tonight.
They at home last night?
They were at home last night. Tonight they're in Minnesota.
Okay.
It'll be a little bit of tougher game.
The Leafs are playing as well.
Leafs are playing tonight also. Let's hope all the Toronto teams win. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll be back on Wednesday for the Wednesday Raggle. This is Martin. This is me.